Go gather together all the Jews who are in Susa and fast for me. Get this. Do not eat or drink for 3 days, night or day. I and my attendants will fast as you do. When this is done, I will go to the king, even though it is against the law. And if I perish, I perish. I want you to listen to this. When self-preservation is no longer your highest value, the enemy's greatest weapon is disarmed. That's powerful when you stop and think about it. If I perish, I perish. Come on. The Apostle Paul put it this way. For me to live is Christ, and to die is gain. Come on, church. When we stop worrying about our own lives, when we stop worrying about our own preservation, and we say, God, you've got me here, and you brought me for a purpose, it becomes a powerful weapon against the enemy.